Well, good morning, everyone. Hope everyone had a great Father's Day weekend. Uh, it was hot down here in South Carolina, and looks like it was pretty much hot everywhere. So, I want to get back on the MG today and give you a couple videos this week. Continue to work on sanding, getting everything ready for the primer epoxy. So got the fender off here so I can work on that outside where it's a little cooler. And so that's what we're going to be working on today. So hang in there, bear with me, and so let's get to work.